What's up, guys? Welcome to John's Daily Hustle. So today we are going to take my aerator, my pull behind core aerator, and we're going to go out and do an aeration today. It'll be the first aeration of the season, so I'm pretty excited about this. So we're going to spin this baby around and hook this up, and it just rained last night, so I don't know how much weight we need to put on it, but we'll give it a try and see what we need. You guys can see right here that aerator actually works pretty well. It didn't pull up as big of a core as I would like. It really needs more weight on it, as well as this ground is pretty hard packed and rocky, but it worked pretty well for what it is. Here's some good cores there. This aerator worked pretty well. There's a few flaws in it, but I'll address those in its review when we finally get to it. Alright, so now that we got the aeration done, now we're going to do some seeding. So I'm going to hook my spreader up to it, put some seed in it, we'll spread it real quick. And for spreading the seed, I'm just going to use my AgriFab Pull behind seed spreader, whatever it's called, fertilizer spreader. I think it's just called a spreader, but anyways, as you guys know, I do have all AgriFab, dethatcher, aerator, and spreader. I bought all three together. They actually work pretty well, which as you guys know, there's a review on that, and there's going to be a review on this as well. And I don't know about that. That's pretty standard. So I applied a little bit more seed than it called for. I always do that. I always like to give just a little bit more seed than it calls for, just to make sure that every area has been seeded. So I will do a follow-up video in about 2 weeks, about 14 days. It says 7 to 12 days you'll start to see germination. So in about 14 days we'll do a follow-up video, and I'll bring you guys back and show you guys how the progress has came. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you'll get to see the update on it. And as always, thanks for watching. See ya.